Welcome back to Tech Kutt. Are you ready to make your kitchen experience smoother, smarter, and more fun? Today, we're diving into the top 5 kitchen gadgets you shouldn't miss in 2024. Each one is unique, efficient, and bound to make your life easier. And the best part? All links to these products are right in the description below, so you can grab them for a limited time deal. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more cool gadgets. And let's jump in with these must-have kitchen helpers. First up is the Priority Chef Large Potato Ricer, an absolute game changer for anyone who loves smooth, creamy mashed potatoes. Imagine perfect mash every single time with minimal effort. The Priority Chef is built with a high-quality, rust-proof stainless steel body and has a large 15 ounces capacity, making it easy to mash more with less work. This ricer features anti-slip, cushioned handles for comfortable leverage, so even if you're mashing a big batch, your arms won't feel sore. And it's not just limited to potatoes. You can use it for carrots, yams, or even as a baby food maker. Plus, it's dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Currently, it's available for $19.93 with a 40% discount, so don't miss out on this fantastic kitchen deal. Next on our list is something small but incredibly useful, the Mag fridge magnets. These aren't your regular fridge magnets. They're strong enough to hold up to 15 sheets of A4 paper each. They come in a pack of 12, and their sleek black finish makes them look great in any kitchen. Whether you're sticking up recipes, reminders, or shopping lists, these magnets will hold everything in place. Made with durable materials and a 3-layer protective coating, they're built to last. Plus, they're easy to grip and move around. For only $6.29, these magnets are a steal for adding a bit of functionality and style to your kitchen or office space. For our third pick, meet the Mueller Immersion Blender, the ultimate handheld blender for anyone who loves making soups, smoothies, and sauces. This powerful blender is equipped with an 8-speed setting, a turbo mode, and a comfortable ergonomic handle that's easy to grip. It's a versatile kitchen tool that comes with 3 attachments: a blending shaft, a frother, and a whisk, perfect for whipping up any recipe. Just attach the blade, plug it in, and blend away. The detachable components are also dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. With a sleek stainless steel design, it's both compact and powerful. And with options starting from $23.50, it's a fantastic investment for any kitchen. Next, we have the Zule Rotary Cheese Grater. If you love cheese, salads, or freshly grated veggies, this one's for you. The Zule grater is designed with a hand crank, reinforced suction, and 5 interchangeable blades for everything from coarse shredding to fine julienne. This grater keeps safety in mind with a food pusher to protect your hands from the blades. It's ideal for slicing and grating not only cheese but also carrots, cucumbers, nuts, and more. With an easy-to-clean and compact design, it's a lifesaver for meal prep. Priced at just under $20, it's a fantastic addition to any kitchen arsenal. Last but not least, we have the Kitchen Mama Auto Electric Can Opener. This hands-free can opener is perfect for anyone who wants a quick, safe, and hassle-free way to open cans. Simply press the button, and this gadget automatically opens the can, leaving no sharp edges and ensuring a safe finish. Designed with ergonomics in mind, it's perfect for elderly users or anyone who has difficulty with grip. With a sleek, compact look and an affordable price of $29.99, the Kitchen Mama is an essential gadget for any kitchen. So say goodbye to manual can openers and hello to convenience. And that's a wrap on our top 5 Amazon kitchen gadgets for 2024. Each one of these tools offers something unique to make your time in the kitchen faster, easier, and more enjoyable. If you're interested in any of these, remember to check the links in the description for the best deals. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more awesome gadgets and reviews here on Kutt.